Okay, hello everybody. This is Imperial Country Ball, and I got something in the mail. I paid like this company a couple of bucks. And I think it was YouTube. It was something like that, and I was able to get a free YouTube play button, 100 subscribers. It looks like it's real. So, what's this? Oh, you get a little sneak peek in there too. That's kind of nice. So let me open it. Half it open. Oh, yes. YouTube play button for reaching 100 subscribers. Imperial Hour Country Ball. They even have the side here too. Okay. Reaching 100's okay. To Mr. Beast. Okay, that's kind of nice. Okay. This is pretty cool. Very nice. It comes with a 2-in-1 here. YouTube. The cardboard play button. Very nice. So yeah. This is a great play button. Thanks to all the 100 people that subscribe to me somehow. And I really hope you enjoy my next videos coming up. I might include one about Taiwan, so that's kind of interesting.